Choosing replacement windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your Houston home. The right windows don't just improve appearance, they enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value. With Houston's hot summers, sudden storms, and diverse home styles, selecting the best replacement windows requires balancing performance with design. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you make a confident decision. Start with your home's architectural style. Your home's style should guide your window choices. Houston neighborhoods feature everything from classic ranch homes and traditional colonials to modern townhomes and Mediterranean-inspired designs. Traditional homes often look best with double-hung or picture windows that preserve symmetry and timeless appeal. Modern homes pair well with large picture windows, sliders, or casement windows that emphasize clean lines and natural light. Mediterranean or Spanish-style homes typically benefit from arched or custom-shaped windows with decorative grids. Matching the window style to your home's architecture ensures the upgrade looks intentional, not out of place. Prioritize energy efficiency for Houston's climate. Houston's heat and humidity make energy efficiency a top priority. Poorly performing windows can let in heat, forcing your air conditioner to work harder and driving up energy bills. Look for replacement windows with low E glass coatings to reflect heat while letting in natural light. Double or triple pane glass for better insulation. Quality weather stripping and tight seals to keep hot air out. Energy efficient windows help maintain a cooler indoor temperature and reduce strain on your HVAC system year-round. Choose materials that withstand heat and moisture. Not all window materials perform equally in Houston's climate. High humidity, strong sun, and heavy rain mean durability matters. Vinyl windows are a popular choice due to their resistance to moisture, low maintenance, and affordability. Fiberglass windows offer excellent strength and stability, even in extreme temperatures. Aluminum windows provide a sleek look but may require thermal breaks to improve insulation. Selecting the right material ensures your windows last longer and perform consistently in Houston's weather conditions. Balance natural light with privacy. Houston homes benefit from abundant sunlight, but too much glare or exposure can be uncomfortable. Consider how each room is used when choosing window types and sizes. Living rooms and kitchens often benefit from larger windows to maximize daylight. Bedrooms may need windows that allow light while maintaining privacy, such as frosted glass or well-placed double-hung windows. The right balance creates bright, welcoming spaces without sacrificing comfort. Don't overlook storm and security features. Houston weather can be unpredictable, so your replacement windows should offer added protection. Impact-resistant glass or reinforced frames can provide peace of mind during severe storms. Multi-point locking systems and sturdy hardware also improve home security, making it harder for intruders to gain access. These features may not be visible at first glance, but they add long-term value and safety. Work with a local window expert. Choosing the best replacement windows isn't just about the product, it's also about proper installation. A Houston-based window professional understands local building codes, climate challenges, and design trends. They can recommend window options tailored to your home and ensure precise installation for maximum performance. Final thoughts: the best replacement windows for your Houston home are those that complement your home style, handle the local climate, and meet your comfort needs. By focusing on design compatibility, energy efficiency, durable materials, and professional installation, you'll enjoy windows that look great, perform well, and add lasting value to your home.